What are different applications or different techniques that I can use with the cups? There are 3 application methods that I tend to use with the cups. One is a static technique, in which that involves just placing the cup on the body and leaving it there. This is for deeper layers of tissue, or if I feel like an area of tissue needs a little bit more TLC, I'll leave the cup on statically and allow the cup to work its magic. Dynamic cupping or movement cupping is used when I want to treat a larger area. I can treat an entire back using dynamic or movement cupping, and that helps to iron out the tissues all around the back, the upper back, the mid back, and the lower back. The third technique that I like to use is a cup and release method. This method is typically a lot more gentle. If you have higher levels of pain or you want to avoid unsightly cupping marks, you can use the cup and release method, which involves placing a cup on the body and then removing the cup quickly and repeating that technique over your treatment area. This helps again for higher levels of pain or to reduce the likelihood of cupping marks.